Good morning. Today is the only sea day on this cruise. And this is where we are right now. Today, the World Cafe, which is the buffet restaurant where we always have lunch, you can also have breakfast and dinner there, has a special Swedish buffet. There's pickled herring, shrimp cocktail, char tartare, selection of Nordic cold cuts bought locally by executive chef, a seafood bar with crab legs and tiger prawns, seafood salad, selection of soft and hard Nordic cheeses. I will be videoing the buffet, but I just want you to see fish soup, reindeer steak, lamb shoulder, torsk, cod fillet, venison patties, again seared Norwegian salmon, Norwegian meatballs, sausage with flatbread, and sour cream porridge. Ooh, that sounds sort of interesting. I'm not going to eat it, but it's interesting. Go down to the braised white cabbage with bacon, and desserts, a waffle with berries and cream, puff pastry, a Napoleon, in other words, a sponge cake filled with cream, meringue cake with cream, almond cake, butter cookies, and of course the ice cream. Steve will gravitate to. I am going to do my best not to make myself ill. Okay. I already recited to you what's on the lunch buffet, the special Swedish buffet, so I'll let you pick out what everything is yourself.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good. How are you, ma'am?
I'm just pointing out that is venison steak. Thank you. Norwegian meatballs, just in case you don't know what they are. Smorgasbord, open-faced sandwich with salmon, open-faced sandwich with roast beef, open-faced duck, smoked duck breast, seafood. I am very, very excited because Stanley and Helga from New Jersey just recognized me from the YouTube videos. I always get big chills, and it's very exciting if somebody comes up to me and recognizes me. Thanks again, Stanley and Helga. I am showing restraint at lunch today.
Welcome. Yes, sir?
That's almond cake. They still have a taste of northern Norway with king crab, red caviar, shrimp, salmon tartare, and one of my favorites, escargot bourguignon, which is snails baked in garlic butter. Snails don't really have much of a taste. It's the yummy garlic butter. I always miss the soup. There's an artichoke and mushroom tartare. Nope. I'm going to try to save myself for herb-crusted New Zealand lamb chop. That, for sure, is my dinner, not the filet of beef rossini, which is seared foie gras, vegetable casserole in a Madeira sauce, so I do love it. They have moussaka. Oh, so good. Again, Napoleon, chocolate chiffon pie, pear cobbler, creme brulee. Such difficult choices. Sorry, I already started inhaling my escargot before I picked up my camcorder. They take them out of the shell, which is a lot easier than digging it out because there's a trick to getting it out of the shell. But the thing that really makes escargot or snails so delicious is the garlic butter. This is the Taste of Norway starter, which basically I ate at lunch, but was so good, gotta have it again. These are the most gorgeous lamb chops. You know, sometimes people don't realize, they think that steak is mi ultra plus. Well, it's not. Lamb chops and veal, my God, if they ever offer a veal chop, are the most expensive items on a menu. I mean, this is all included, but it's just FYI. By the way, that is a parsnip puree, which is very delicious. I've never had that before. The nice thing about cruise ships, you get to try everything, and if you don't like it, you don't have to eat it. Okay, David. Steve is tucking into 2 chocolate and 1 banana fudge. And I promise you, he'll eat it all. This is where we are right now on the ship tracker. And it is called Maria Hamon. And the islands, the archipelago, are the Åland Islands.